Hello everyone, welcome to the Filmisi International Film Festival Award Ceremony 2022. Let me give a brief about the Filmisi organization. The Filmisi organization was made to promote indie film and short filmmaking. It is supported by Goal Entertainment World. It was organized to portray and motivate the talent in the field of filmmaking and acting to the filmmakers and film lovers. Today could not have been possible without our sponsors. Sponsors for the first edition of Filmisi International Film Festivals are Universal Peace, Big and Sim Airport. I would like to thank our jury, Mr. Ratikant Kamila, Mr. Ariful Islam, Mr. Sunil Godse, Mrs. Angina Pral, Mr. Simone Celio for joining our festival as jury. For this competition, we had 400 plus entries in the various categories such as short films, feature films, animation films, documentary films and music video. The very first category is of short film. The nominees for the best director in short film are Deepak D. Shinde for Dhada the Lesson, Vishak Tiwari for Therapist, Eldier Madakim for Salvador Dali, and the award goes to Deepak D. Shinde for Dhada the Lesson. The nomination for the best experimental short film are Puja De by Joby Varghese, Aima by Datta Mohan Mandre, and Love Without a Cascade by Laura Maria Isabel Luis. And the winner is Puja De by Joby Varghese. The nominees for the best actor are Nancy Lopez for The Last Push, Khalid Abubakar Mohammed for My Letters Lost Their Memory, Osvaldo Salas for Whole Stepper. And the winner is Nancy Lopez for The Last Push. The nominees for the best actress in short films are Revati for My Death Certificate, Swati Benin for Sikhi, Rosaria Di Kiko for Laura's Voice 2.0, and the award goes to Revati for My Death Certificate. The nominees for the best child actress in short film are Dibyajyoti Mandi for Kukli, Vidya Devangan for Bijaropan, and Isabella for Isabella's Love. And the award goes to Dibyajyoti Mandi for Kukli. The nomination for the best indie short film are Song of the Same Night by Carrie S. Sare, Paras Pathar by Sabita Brata Roy, and First Love by What's Goes and Song of the Same Night by Carrie S. Sare. The nomination for the best COVID-19 short film are Quarantine by Randy Memoli, My School by Naveen Newshetter, Unfiltered Through Their Eyes by Frank Fazio, and the award goes to Quarantine by Randy Memoli. The nomination for the best horror short film are The Invitation by Thorsten Shedd, Come Outside by Shadon Woodson, and 12 Shiptala Lane by Saikat Das. And the award goes to The Invitation by Thorsten Shedd. The nomination for the best screenplay in short film are Ithirkat by Naufal Charai, The 10 Rupees Note by Sujindra Nandi, and The Virgin by Agardeep Banerjee, and the winner is Ithirkat by Naufal Charai. The nominees for the best editor in short film are Paul N. Foster for Perdition, Luca Caserta for Tell Me Who I Am, and Shivan Makkar for Pastiche. And the winner is Paul N. Foster for Perdition. The nomination for the best drama in short film are Nostos by Paulos Bisario, Carbon Monoxide by Rahul Yadav, The Nobody Prayer by Sean Pulsifer, and the winner of this category is Paulos Bisario for Nostos. For the best mobile short film are Rambo First P by Doro Chardran Delgale, Unfinished Suicide Note by Ke Panch by Arup Sen Gupta, and the winner of this category is Rambo First P by Lauro Charlton Del Valle. The nominees for the Best Female Director in Short Film are Fabiola Stevenson for Ophelia, Nadia Flamenco for Josefina, Eva Maria Madrid for Maryville, and the winner of this category is Fabiola Stevenson for Ophelia. The nominees for the Best Cinematography in Short Film are Nicolas Lestrager for Il Monte Proximo, Philippe Denchkel for 3 Mene, Imran US for Swapnadosh, and the winner is Nicolas Lestrager for Il Monte Proximo. The nomination for the Best Styling Short Film are Rakshita by Amol Dongre, Change by Abhijnav K, On Breaking Up by Johnny Ritter, and the award goes to Rakshita by Amol Dongre. The nomination for the Best Student Film are Downing the Anchors, Nathaniel House, I Am Here by Jennifer Hathaway, The Voice Within My Silence by Massimiliano Falgathers, and the winner is Downing the Anchors by Nathaniel House. The nomination for the Best Microfilm are The Intruder by Shanti Pulsifer, Gracias by Charles Macias Hernandez, and Mobile Psychotherapy by Katarzyna Adamus, and the winner is The Intruder by Shanti Pulsifer. Paolo Bertola for Maya the Sacrifice, Ryan Grobbins for Cyanide, Deepankar Bhattacharjee for Little Heart, and the winner is Paolo Bertola for Maya the Sacrifice. The best science fiction short films are Eric's and the Void by Cody Newton, Manzanas Pedrodas by Lumaraje Obirids, Siphon by Veronica Small, and the winner is Eric's and the Void by Cody Newton. The best child actor in short film are Damir Nurma-Mato for Salvador Dali, Arnav Vilas Patil for Chitrakar, Master Dampu for Bhalobhasa.com, and the winner is Damir Nurma-Mato for Salvador Dali. The nominees for the Best First Time Filmmaker in Short Film are Krunal Pandya for Film, Swapnil S. Rajpurkar for Eternity, Sheldon Woodson for Come Outside, and the winner is Krunal Pandya for Film. Nominees for the Best Writer in Short Film are Mukund Kuberkar for Paris, Min Park for Espreessor, Fahad Faiz for Diyar Hizma, and the winner is Mukund Kuberkar for Paris. The nomination for the Best Concept are Beyond the Wall by Shamnaz Bibi, Shahi Paneer by Surjit Sharma, Varan by Pradeep Gogate, and the winner is Beyond the Wall by Shamnaz Bibi. The nomination for the Best Social Message Film are Howdy Foodie by Gaurav Kaushik Nandiji, Madre by Daniel Leon Lecan, Tree by Samartha Kudare, and the winner is Howdy Foodie by Gaurav Kaushik Nandiji. The nominees for the Best Original Score in Short Films are David Andrew Waibe for The Nobody Prayer, Anirban Chakrabarti for The Sleeping Buddha, Christopher Clark for Rambo First P, and the winner is David Andrew Waibe for Nobody Prayer. The nominations for the Best Short Films are When We Pray on Them by Shirod Green and Ronal Green, Palak by Prasad Kolte, and Virgin by Argadeep Banerjee, and the winner is When We Pray on Them by Shirod Green and Ronal Green. Here is what the judges have to say about the festival.
Hi my friends, Simone Cilio here, film composer from Italy. I want to send this quick message to every participant of the Filmis International Film Festival and wish you good luck. The quality of the films has been insane and super inspiring. I wish you again good luck and keep up the good work. Bye bye.
The nomination for the best documentary film are Homo Homoeosta, Chai Jaina, Border Ball by Joel Tauber, Paradise Lost Children by Anshuman Chakrabarti, and the winner is Homo Homoeota by Chai Jaina. The nominees for the best short documentary director are Nirmalya Majumdar for Ma, Sean T. Pulsifer for 36 Days, Professor Dr. Mansoor Shawgi Edzi for Cafe Irani Chai, and the winner is Nirmalya Majumdar for Ma. The nomination for the best feature documentary are Les Jardins des Caïms, An Enclave at Altitude by Godefroy D. Maupeou, Allah, Artificial Intelligence Law by Carlo Christian Spano, The Candidate by Rahul Yadav, and the winner is Les Jardins des Caïms, An Enclave at Altitude by Godefroy D. Maupeou. Nominees for the best feature documentary director are Sahmil Aliyev for Creators, Cassie Williams for American Boxed In, Alexandra Gusai for Miracle of Sinners, and the winner is Sahmin Aliyev for Creators.
Hi, I am Mohammad Ariful Islam from Bangladesh. I am a jury member of Filmasia International Film Festival 2022. First of all, take my warm greetings there, organizers, sponsors, viewers, and all the filmmakers who have participated in this film festival. I would like to congratulate all the films that have been selected for this film festival and all the films that have received awards in different categories. It is a very difficult to judge any creative work, and if it is a film, then the work becomes more difficult. Keep it in mind, as a judge of this film festival, I would say that many good films from all over the world have been submitted to this film festival. Some of voice have touched my heart, some films have taught me to think anew. It seems that if I had not acted as a judge in this film festival, it would not have opened a new door for me to understand the film. Thank you to everyone involved at the Filmasia International Film Festival 2022.
The nomination for the best animation short film are Cyanide by Ryan Robbins, Mogu and Perol by Sonio Goda, Meu Nome E Malum by Luisa Copetti, and the winner is Cyanide by Ryan Robbins. The nomination for the best feature animation film are Opel by Alam Biard, Mason Magic 3 Freak Show by Zoe Zimon, and the winner is Opal by Alam Biard. The nominees for the best music director are Ashok Kajle for Bharla Abhal, Sahreen Khan for The Trilogy, Srijit Marial for Mahakalan, and the winner is Ashok Kajle for Bharla Abhal. The nominees for the best lyricist are Vinesh Chandran for Tanu, Bhas Chethala for Apurva, Safar Khan for Trilogy, and the winner is Vinesh Chandran for Tanu. The nomination for the best music video are Arsa Hua by Dinesh Poddar, Suzuki's Cat by Suzuki Yukino, Ya Khuda by Shahreen Khan, and the winner is Arsa Hua by Dinesh Poddar. The nominees for the best singer are Franz Joseph Danner for Honest Lie Jump, Shahreen Khan for The Trilogy, Suzuki Yukino for Suzuki's Cat, and the winner is Franz Joseph Danner for Honest Lie Jump. nomination for the Best Feature Film are Kullu Rising by Aman Naushad, Full Circle by Noel Brady, Drishtant by Abhijit Keshavrao Janjal, and the winner is Kullu Rising by Amal Naushad. The nomination for the Best Science Fiction Feature Film are Code D, The House of the Eight Women by Kouchi Komoto, and The Box in the Basement by Mike Fox. And the winner is Code D, The House of the Eight Women by Kouchi Komoto. The nominees for the Best Director in Feature Film are Uwe Schwarzwalder for The Radicalization of Jeff Boyd, Kosuke Hishinuma for Hide and Sniff, Roberto Ruiz Caspendes for Stoyan, and the winner is Uwe Schwarzwalder for Radicalization of Jeff Boyd. The nomination for the Best Indie Feature Film are Clara by Francesco Longo, Laura's Hereafter by Costantino Maiani, Hi, You Can Be the Next One by Thurston Kramer, and the winner is Clara by Francisco Longo. The nomination for the Best Cinematography in Feature Films are The Last Turn by Basim Waghi, Peter S. Hanna, The Radicalization of the Jeff Boyd by Brian Pincus, Uwe Schwarzwalder, and Golden Land by Hiroshi Toda. And the winner is The Last Turn by Basim Waghi and Peter S. Hanna. The nominees for the Best Editor in Feature Films are Maurice McAuliffe for Insurrection, Giallo Film, TK Film, and Roix for Beyond Fury, Nargiza Karash and LDR for Shambhala. The winner is Maurice McAuliffe for Insurrection. The nominees for the Best Actor in Feature Films are Ansar UH for Annu Mariette, Gary Stephen for Hidden Package, Mitchell Bates for Full Circle, and the winner is Ansar UH for Annu Mariette. The nominees for the Best Actress in Feature Films are Martha Milans for Stoyan, Ako Suizu for Code D, The House of Eight Women, Valentina Bansi for Laura's Hereafter, and the winner is Martha Milans for Stoyan. The nomination for the Best Poster are Clara, Cyanide, and Pazhampuri, and the winner is Clara. The nomination for the Best Web Series are You Amir Shah by Amir Shah and Be Shocked by Pedri Puroho, and the winner is Are You Amir Shah by Amir Shah. Here is what the judges have to say about the festival.
हाय नमस्कार, मेरा नाम रतिकांत कामेड़ा। मैं फिल्मी शाह इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल जल्दी ही मुंबई में शुरू होने वाले हैं। मैं इस फिल्म फेस्टिवल के डायरेक्टर प्रशांत जी को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं और इस फिल्म फेस्टिवल में भाग लेने वाले हर कलाकार, फिल्म मेकर एंड प्रोड्यूसर को मेरे तरफ से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं हैं। मैं तो फिल्म फेस्टिवल को आ रहा हूं इसको सफल बनाने के लिए। क्या आप आ रहे हैं? चलिए हम मिल के इस फिल्म फेस्टिवल को सफल बनाते हैं और एक नई दिशा दिखाते हैं। जय हिंद।